In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add newsletter on WordPress. First, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress dashboard with an account that can manage plugins. From your site's admin area, look at the menu on the left and click Plugins. On the Plugins page, open the Add New section so you can search the plugin directory that's built right into WordPress. In the search bar, type the word Newsletter. You'll see several results, but you're looking for the plugin simply called Newsletter. This tool lets you collect subscribers and send emails directly from your site. If you see multiple options, choose one that's clearly labeled, has solid reviews, and is recently updated for better compatibility and security. If the plugins area isn't available, you may not have administrator rights, so log in with the correct account or contact your site owner. When you've found it, click Install now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. Activation is what turns the plugin on and adds its controls to your dashboard. After a brief moment, you should see a new item labeled Newsletter appear in the left-hand menu. If it doesn't show up immediately, give the page a quick refresh. Still not there? Open the plugins list again, find Newsletter among your installed plugins, and click Settings. That link takes you straight into the plugins control panel, even if the menu hasn't refreshed yet. At this point, the plugin is installed, activated, and ready for you to configure. Feel free to explore its settings and other features at your own pace. You'll typically find options for creating a sign-up form, choosing what information you ask from subscribers, and customizing confirmation messages. There will also be places to set your default sender name and newsletter subject style, pick a template, and review delivery settings. Take a moment to read any setup tips displayed on the screen. They're helpful for a first-time configuration. As you make changes, remember to save before navigating away and consider sending a test newsletter to yourself to confirm everything looks good. If a change doesn't appear on your site right away, clear your browser cache or open your site in a private window to check the latest version. And if you ever disable the plugin temporarily, your settings are usually preserved, so you can reactivate it without losing your work. Before sending any real campaigns, verify that your sign-up form works end-to-end and that your test emails arrive as expected. That's it. You've successfully added a newsletter to your WordPress site, and you know where to find its settings. Explore the options to match your brand, and you'll be ready to start collecting subscribers and sending updates.